We have an update to the EdgePulse, the oscillator. We have added in some oversold and overbought areas. We also put in a setting that allows you to turn off any of the dots that are not inside those areas. So it'll do this. So it's only showing the ones that originate outside of it. And just a quick little lesson on how to use this to take advantage of it is basically you're looking for extreme areas to print the dots, right? Once that happens, you see that it keeps coming down and it prints another one on this pullback, and then it comes down some more. Here's the thing. Now you've got a lower, or I'm sorry, a higher low. And if you notice, this is a divergence, right? See, this is printing lower lows, but this is actually saying it's a higher low right here in this area, and that's showing you the divergence. And you don't even have to pay attention for the divergence. I'm just showing you why it works. Is when you have some outside dots printing and then you have one that's printing in the inside, if price takes the high right here, comes down and rejects and blows over the zone, that's a really good entry for a reversal, right? So you're doing this right here, we're buying, and then we're targeting highs, lows, whatever we're going to target. And there goes a nice 10 little over 10 RR trade, and just off of the oscillator and using the that's, I believe that's a 45-minute zone. Yes, 45-minute FLB zone. And then for shorts, a lot of times your shorts are just going to dump out, but it's the same concept. You get a dot, right? And then price comes and takes that low right there, and then we come up and we reject the FLB. So you're getting into the pullback, right? And then you're coming to the low down there. There's a nice 9.44 right there. A lot of times when you guys see me catch those dumps, those breakouts that are dropping down, this is the type of stuff that I'm doing. I'm a little slower to react to these kinds for shorts for some reason. I'm just faster to react to them. But this is basically what I'm doing. And then hoping it just crashes straight down. This one did some pullbacks and went back to your entry a couple times. That'll get anybody on edge, but this is pretty much what I'm doing. But the oscillator is going to help you find those setups. Hope this helps. If you have any questions, let me know.